Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we've got some crazy road rage accidents that will definitely make you laugh. This guy was really trying to hit the other car and managed to flip his own car and fully total it. Karma is a real thing. Why did this driver decide to get physical? He's really that bored he needed to do something that caused drama? How did this person even manage to drive off the road and hit someone else's car? Yet he got more damage himself. This is why you drive with your eyes open. There's no way someone in their right state of mind would drive so dangerous. What type of grudge did they have against this guy? What the hell was that guy thinking? At least not only his car got totaled, but the idiot's car was ruined too. Where do these stupid people get their licenses from? How do you hit someone else's car into a yard by accident? I thought I'd only see this type of driving in movies or video games. I never knew people were capable of driving so horribly. What was the driver trying to do? How did he just crash into this other person and drive as if nothing happened? The driver really got double damage from both cars. The sound of metal crashing is crystal clear. Why does the car have spikes on its tires? It's always the overly designed cars that cause chaos.